Free-range chicken farming, also known as forest or natural chicken farming, is a method of raising chickens based on allowing them to freely move and relax in a large area, similar to their natural environment. This is a sustainable and environmentally friendly way of raising chickens. In free-range chicken farming, chickens are allowed to move freely, search for food, and relax in an area with enough natural space and resources. This area typically includes grass, trees, bushes, and open land, allowing chickens to perform natural activities such as hunting for prey and searching for insects.
Đây là cám. Chọn cho bà con tất cả các anh chị là cái kỹ thuật, cái độ dày thì khoảng 10 cm. Sau đó dạ đúng rồi. Một bắp. Trộn đều với nhau.
Free-range chicken farming has many benefits, creating a natural living environment for chickens, improving the quality of meat and eggs. Chickens are exposed to natural light, fresh air, and natural soil, which can have a positive impact on their health and happiness. However, free-range chicken farming also requires careful management. It is necessary to ensure that the chicken farming area has enough space, protects the safety and security of chickens from threats from wild animals. Free-range chicken farming is a natural and sustainable method of raising chickens, bringing many benefits to chickens, the environment, and consumers.